Builders choose us for their solar installation needs because we deliver more than just solar panels. We provide solutions tailored to your construction process. Our deep expertise in electrical and general construction allows us to collaborate seamlessly with builders, ensuring every project runs smoothly and meets your high standards. As experienced professionals in both solar energy and construction, we understand the unique challenges builders face. From tight timelines to precise specifications, we align our approach to meet your goals, not just ours. We're here to complement your work, not complicate it. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Leave us a comment if there's something specific your project requires. When we receive your project, we begin by thoroughly reviewing your construction plans. This step gives us a general understanding of your vision and helps us identify how the solar installation fits into the larger scope of the build. After framing is complete, we perform a site visit to gather detailed information and photos. This step is crucial for designing a solar system tailored to your project's specifications. During this visit, we also install internal electrical pipe runs from the electrical panel to the roof, preparing for future solar equipment installation. Our approach ensures these pipe runs remain hidden, maintaining the building's aesthetic appeal. Collaboration with your team is key. We work with you to address potential obstructions on the roof, ensuring the solar array can be installed efficiently and without interference. This proactive approach prevents costly delays and ensures the final installation meets your expectations. Once the stucco and roof are completed, we return to install the solar modules and necessary wall-mounted equipment. Our team ensures the installation aligns perfectly with the building's design and operates at peak efficiency. Our job doesn't end when the panels are installed. When the property is sold or tenants move in, we complete the process by setting up solar monitoring systems and applying for permission to operate, PTO, with the utility company. This ensures a seamless transition to clean, renewable energy for the end user. Builders love working with us because we integrate seamlessly into their process, delivering professional, high-quality solar installations that enhance the value of their projects. We simplify the process, minimize disruptions, and ensure outstanding results every time. At Array Energy, we are more than solar experts. We're your trusted partner. By choosing us, you gain a team that's committed to making your projects shine, both figuratively and literally. Contact us in the description below and learn more about how we can support your next build.